So today I will show you how I found my two journal articles using Averett's library catalog. So I will share my screen with you. So this is the homepage of the library catalog. So it's just averett.libesguide.com/library. So this is how the homepage should look like to let you know that you're on the right page. So there are two ways to look up an article. There's this one, find a journal, where you would type in the keyword or the article's name, click search, and browse from there. And then there is the database one, where you pretty much do the same thing too. I am going to use the database one just because it was a little bit easier for me to find my articles that I was looking into. So once I click the A through Z database, I'm going to click Academic Search Complete. And I'm going to click Full Text and Peer Reviewed. I click these because I think it'll be a little bit easier for me to see my options. I clicked Full Text because sometimes Averett doesn't have the article that you're looking for. So I would want to make sure that I am given the full text one, and then of course having a peer reviewed article as well. So in here you can search the same thing as the other website, either the article's name or keywords. So for my first journal, I'm going to look up the article name, and then the second one, I'm going to look up a keyword. So the first one's going to be the article name. So it's given me two options so far, but they're all both PDF full text, which is what I want in my article. So I will click this one. And in here, it gives you a little information about the article, the author, the source, document type, subjective terms of like what is going to be involved in the article, like under what subject it falls into, and then other keywords that it falls into as well, and a little abstract in different languages for you as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click PDF full text just to see it full screen. And this is the full article itself. So it's pretty long with a good amount of information, graphs, images, and a lot of references. And you can also download PDF as well to make it a little bit easier for you as well if you just want to see it full screen. So that was my first journal of looking it up with the article name. So my second journal, I'll go back home. The second journal I'm going to look up is going to be with a keyword. So again, I'm going to click full text and peer reviewed. And then my keyword would be concussion treatment. So just finding an article on concussion treatment and everything like that. So it gives me 46 articles. And again, they're all PDF full text, which is what I wanted. So it gives you a lot of varieties, and you have more pages to look at as well. So I'm going to click this one. And again, it gives you the same information, the author, the source, document type, the abstract, subject terms, and then I will click PDF full text. And it'll bring me into the full article, which is a lot of information as well, with some tables and the references at the bottom. And mentioned before, you can always download PDF as well for the full screen. So that is how I found my journals. Like mentioned, you can always use the find journal ones, and you can always pretty much find the same in a way. Look up the keywords. So for this one, I could look up one of diabetes, click search. And then this one is just a different format that it gives you. You have eJournal magazine, but it also gives you how much articles as well. So full text, This one offers full text, two full text, sorry. And just different like topics as well. So I can click diabetes health, click full text. It'll give you like the journal, the collection, the coverage. So this is also a similar website to what I was just using when I used the database A through Z. So when I click, oops, sorry, wrong one. When I click the journal article, it gives you a lot more information, and it gives you the publisher information, but it also gives you that the peer reviewed, it's not peer reviewed. So, but that's just how you would use this one. Like I said, I liked using the database one more because it was easier for me to find my articles. But yeah, and that is how I found my 2 articles using the library's website. Thank you.